Imagine this. You've been glued to every whisper about DJI's big releases this year, convinced the spotlight belonged to the Mini 5 Pro or the Mavic 4, those gleaming flagships stealing the show. But here's the twist that flips the script entirely. While we chase those high-flying dreams, DJI quietly forged something revolutionary in the shadows. A drone so overlooked it feels like the ultimate plot twist in a blockbuster. And get this, it could very well steal the crown as their most game-changing launch of the year. What do you think? Does a sleeper hit like this excite you more than the hype machines? Hit the comments and let me know right now. Picture me pulling you aside, eyes wide, saying DJI is unleashing a beast with a razor-sharp sensor from their Mini Pro series, a rock-solid safety net featuring LiDAR that reads rooms like a pro, and the seamless connectivity of their top-tier OcuSync tech. Yet it's tame enough to zip around indoors, dodging crowds with ease, all summonable with a casual flick of your wrist. Sounds like pure fantasy, right? Like I'm spinning tales from a sci-fi script. But hold on, the floodgates of leaks have burst wide open, and with the big reveal just days out, this isn't smoke and mirrors. We're diving headfirst into the DJI Neo 2, the underdog primed to rewrite the rules of the sky. Flashback a couple years, and the original DJI Neo lineup, it was charming in that quirky, pint-sized way, like a clever gadget from a holiday catalog. This featherlight 135-gram wonder, complete with full propeller guards, launched right from your palm and responded to simple hand waves. Perfect for gifting to a wide-eyed kid or coaxing a nervous newbie into the air. But for us creators, the ones chasing that cinematic rush, it barely registered. The flaws were glaring from the start. That camera? A straightforward 4K at 30 frames, no depth to the colors, no log profiles for grading magic. Just a speck of a sensor paired with electronic stabilization that worked okay for quick social clips but crumbled under pro scrutiny. Then there was a link-up, plain old Wi-Fi, which meant your signal fizzle out after mere 30 or 40 feet, confining it to cozy living rooms or tiny yards. No epic trails, no serene lake glides. It simply couldn't stretch its wings. And the real gut punch? Zero obstacle sensing. Handing a fresh pilot a drone blind to the world felt like setting them up for heartbreak. And sure enough, dings and dents became the norm. So the Neo 1 lingered in that odd limbo on DJI's shelf, a fun spark, but forgotten by anyone wielding it for real work. All the while, DJI's team was in the trenches, eyes on every crash report, every wishlist gripe. For 2 full years, as our feeds lit up with Mini 5 buzz and Avata 2 thrills, their wizards toiled away, alchemizing that playful prototype into a force of nature. This isn't some modest refresh or a side quest sequel. It's a full-throttle reinvention, and a torrent of trusted leaks has laid every secret bare. Let's peel back the layers, starting with the heart of it all, the lens. The old Neo shooter was a lightweight contender at best. Enter the Neo 2, armed with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the very soul of the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, a sub-250-gram legend revered for its whisper-quiet low-light prowess and dual native ISOs that unlock worlds of dynamic range. They're slotting this gem into a drone you could palm like a smartphone. But wait, they're cranking it up crystal clear 4K at a silky 60 frames per second, shattering the old 30-frame ceiling. And the detail that'll have every filmmaker leaning in? True 10-bit D-Log M capture. I'm talking pro-grade flat footage, ripe for lush color grading, all from a guarded, ultra-portable flyer. You could hover it through your kitchen chaos and snag footage that rivals their cinematic heavyweights. To tame that powerhouse sensor and buttery frame rates, they reinvented the Stabilizer 2, a fresh 2-axis mechanical gimbal, ditching the jittery digital fixes for pure, fluid poise. It's a chasm between a shaky home video and a scene that pulls you in deep. But zoom in on those renders, and something wilder catches your eye up front. That's no ordinary lens housing. It's packing an infrared LiDAR sensor, the precision wizardry from the Mavic 3 Pro's elite autofocus arsenal and fresh off the Mini 5 Pro's bow. This laser-guided mapper chart spaces in full 3D, piercing even midnight shadows. Why lavish such cutting-edge heft on an entry-level flyer? Simple. The Neo 2 isn't chasing rookies anymore. It's the stealth operative for tight spaces, nailing those elusive angles where bigger birds fear to tread. Envision gliding it through a sprawling home for a realtor's tour, threading doorways unscathed thanks to those guards and omnidirectional smarts. Or as your vlogging sidekick, trailing you in reverse through a tangled woodland path, slipping past trunks like a ghost while you spill stories uninterrupted. Those props shrug off a rogue twig. The sensors handle the rest. It's autopilot confidence in a nutshell, delivering the seamless tracking Skidio teased, but in DJI's compact, high-fidelity form. Commanding this evolved marvel, the leaks spill that gesture and voice cues are sharper than ever, letting you star in your own frame sans remote, barking orders like a director on set. Craving distance? The original's Wi-Fi woes are ancient history. Brace for the next revelation. OcuSync 4.0 integration, the gold standard broadcast from the Mini 4 Pro, Air 3, and Avata 2 Playbook. We're talking 20-kilometer reach with rock-steady, lag-free feeds. This elevates it from parlor trick to field-ready powerhouse. Suddenly, those rugged hikes or waterside sweeps aren't dreams. They're dialed-in reality. And that chip unlocks one more thrill. Seamless pairing with DJI Goggles 3 and the motion controller. Here's the hybrid holy grail we've craved. FPV siren call, that heart-pounding cockpit plunge, always tempted. But the Avata 2's velocity? Intimidating for most, demanding acro mastery that's a steep cliff. The Neo 2 bridges it all. Strap on the goggles, grip the motion wand, and plunge into that vivid first-person rush, buffered by full guards and LiDAR's all-seeing shield. Buzz it past loved ones, pups, or picnics with zero sweat. It's FPV democratized for the vast crowd dipping toes, not diving headlong. The gateway that turns maybe someday into today. So let's circle back, because this blueprint strains belief in the best way. A diminutive, guarded dynamo with the Mini 4 Pro stellar sensor, 4K/60 glory and 10-bit D-Log-M depth. Toss in the dual-axis gimbal for flawless pans, the DR-fueled Omni sensors for crash-proof navigation, OcuSync 4.0 for boundless range, and that effortless FPV gateway. The Neo 2 doesn't just check boxes. It redefines them, safer and sprightlier than the pack, capturing 90% of the adrenaline minus the edge. For the teeming hordes eyeing FPV without the fright, it's the singular spark that ignites it all. DJI's playing chess here, devouring their own board, melding mini precision, avid immersion, and Neo's forgiving frame into one unassailable fusion. The intel's flooded out, the teaser dropped, and October 30th marks the curtain call. Mere days from now, rumor seeds to revelation. In our dazzle distraction, DJI crafted a flyer that could blueprint the next half-decade of skies. This transcends tweaks. It's the blueprint, the benchmark. The DJI Neo 2 storms in, and every rival feels a quake. Hands down, it's the drone drop that's got my pulse racing like nothing in ages. But you, does it dethrone the Mini? Set the consumer bar anew? And that elusive price tag, what's your bold guess? Spill your take in the comments. This ride's just revving up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.